In this video, we're going to calculate time using the formula distance equals speed times time. First thing I want to write down is what information we have. Okay, so the distance, we know he covered 13.5 miles. We also know how fast he walked, which is 3 miles an hour, so we know his speed. But we are asked to work out its time. Next thing I'm going to write down is the formula I'm going to use for all these questions, which is distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. I'm now going to substitute in the numbers I know. So the D I know is 13.5, so I'm going to write that underneath. The S is 3 miles an hour, and I don't know the time. So I've got 13.5 is equal to 3t. Well, from our work we've done with equations, to get t on its own I just need to divide by 3. So around there, and then solving this, we're going to get 13.5 divided by 3 is 4.5. 3t divided by 3 is t. So we're going to get t is equal to 4.5 hours, which I think we would normally write as 4 hours and 30 minutes.